Introducing the new HEST Duvet, designed to add extra comfort, warmth, and convenience to the HEST single and double comforters. HEST offers two sizes of duvets, a single and double, to go with the single and double comforter. Using the HEST Duvet is just like using the duvet at home. Simply unfold the duvet with the snapped closure and opening facing towards you. Make sure the stitched seams of the duvet are on the inside and the smooth seams are on the outside. Lay the comforter flat. Insert the comforter into the opening of the duvet and feed it through, matching the corners of the comforter with the corners of the duvet. Once the comforter is flush with the duvet cover, snap the duvet closed. Ready for bed. The duvet not only completes your entire sleeping solution for the outdoors to feel even more like your bed at home, but it also keeps your down comforter fresher longer. When breaking down camp, the duvet can remain on the comforter and stow in the tote for your next adventure. Or simply unsnap the duvet and remove the comforter. Similar to HEST's fitted sheets, the duvet is designed to pack into itself, keeping it neat and clean during travel storage. HEST Duvet is machine washable, just like your home sheets. Simply machine wash at home, like home sheets, before your next camping adventure. We suggest washing on a cold or gentle cycle and hang drying to preserve the fibers for as long as possible. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions, email us info@hest.com or check out our website.